Stop scrolling. What if I told you you could make thousands of dollars just by posting TikToks without needing a product, a website, or even a huge following? Sounds crazy, right? Well, in the next few minutes, I'm breaking down exactly how to start TikTok affiliate marketing and turn it into a money-making machine. Let's go. So how do you do TikTok affiliate marketing? This is a complete guide to TikTok affiliate marketing, a step-by-step tutorial. Now, let me start by saying TikTok's affiliate marketing system allows creators and entrepreneurs to earn commissions by promoting products through TikTok Shop, direct affiliate links, and influencer partnerships. This tutorial will guide you through everything you need to start and succeed with TikTok affiliate marketing. But first things first, what is TikTok affiliate marketing? TikTok affiliate marketing involves promoting products on TikTok and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. There are three main ways to do this. The first is through the TikTok Shop affiliate program, whereby you promote products from TikTok Shop and earn commissions. Also, there is that aspect of direct affiliate links using third-party affiliate programs like Amazon, ClickBank, and Share a Sale. And you can also make money from TikTok affiliate marketing through brand deals and sponsorships, whereby you get paid by brands to promote their affiliate products. So how do you join TikTok's affiliate program? Now, for content creators without a store, if you want to promote other people's products, follow these steps. The first step is create a TikTok business account. Go to settings and privacy, manage account, and switch to a business account, and then choose a niche. Your niche can be beauty, gadgets, or fitness. Secondly, apply for TikTok Shop affiliate program. Go to TikTok and sign up as an affiliate creator, and then connect your TikTok account and wait for approval. The next step is to find affiliate programs. Inside TikTok Shop, browse products that match your niche. Choose products with high commission rates and good reviews, and then start promoting products. That's the fourth step. You will get a unique affiliate link for each product. Start promoting your products and create engaging videos showcasing the product and include your affiliate link in the caption or bio. Now, for store owners who want to do TikTok affiliate marketing by selling their own products, you have to recruit TikTok affiliates to promote your products. And so the first step is to sign up for TikTok Shop as a seller. Go to TikTok Shop Seller Center, complete your business verification, and then list your product. Secondly, set up an affiliate program. Inside TikTok Shop, go to affiliates, then go to create affiliate program. Set your commission rates for influencers who promote your products. Also, the next step is to find influencers to promote your products. Use the creator marketplace to find TikTok influencers in your niche and then offer them commissions to promote your products. So how do you create viral TikTok affiliate videos? Now, these are the types of videos that convert, the types of videos that do well for TikTok affiliate marketing. Unboxing and review videos whereby you show the product, test it, and give an honest review, and then the before and after demos whereby you show how the product solves the problem, and then the problem and solution format whereby you highlight a problem and introduce the product as the solution, and then the trend-based videos whereby you use trending sounds and challenges while showcasing the product, and then storytelling and testimonials where you share a personal experience with the product, and then comparison videos whereby you compare two similar products and recommend one. So these are the types of videos that convert best for TikTok affiliate marketing. Now, what are the video optimization tips that work? Hook in the first 3 seconds. Grab attention immediately in the first 3 seconds. Hook people. Also, keep your videos short, 15 to 30 seconds max. Quick and engaging content performs best. Also, use captions and call to actions. Call to actions are CTAs. Example, link in bio for 50% off. Also, leverage TikTok trends and sounds which increase reach and engagement. Also, reply to comments with video responses. It boosts your visibility and engagement. So how do you drive traffic and sales? Optimize your TikTok profile for conversions by switching to a business account if you haven't already. Also, add your affiliate link in the bio using a link in bio tool like Linktree or Beacons, and then write a compelling bio. Example, best Amazon finds, or get yours now, link below. Also, use a call to action in every video. Example, grab this now, link in bio. Now, how do you leverage TikTok's algorithm for more views? Post consistently 2 to 4 times daily. Use hashtags like TikTok made me buy it, hashtag TikTok made me buy it, hashtag Amazon finds, hashtag budget gadgets, and then engage with your audience, reply to comments, go live, do extras, stitch viral videos, and then post at peak times. Morning and evening work best. So how do you maximize your earnings and scale up? Use TikTok ads to boost your sales. Once you see your videos are performing well, use TikTok ads to scale. Also, you can use Spark ads to promote your best performing organic videos, and then conversion ads to drive the traffic directly to your affiliate link. Now, you can also expand to other platforms as a way of making more money through TikTok affiliate marketing by integrating Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts, which means you are repurposing your TikTok videos for more exposure. Also, Pinterest and Twitter, share your product links and video snippets to attract buyers. Now, how do you automate content creation? Use AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva to generate content ideas and video scripts. Also, outsource video editing on Fiverr or Upwork. Now, how are people earning with TikTok affiliates? Example 1, a tech TikToker made $10,000 in a month promoting viral Amazon gadgets. And then example 2, a beauty influencer earns $5,000 plus monthly from makeup product commissions. And then example 3, a TikTok shop seller increased sales by 300% by recruiting affiliates. Now, what are the common mistakes to avoid? Choosing low quality products. Rather, stick to high rated products. Also, ignoring TikTok trends. Rather, trends boost engagement and sales, and so don't ignore them. Also, another common mistake to avoid is not including a CTA. Always tell viewers where to buy. Be clear and direct. Another common mistake to avoid is posting inconsistently. Daily posts help with growth. Also, spamming affiliate links. Don't do that. It's a mistake to avoid. Use natural, engaging content. What are the tools and resources to help you succeed? TikTok Creator Marketplace, where you find brand deals and affiliate opportunities. TikTok Shop Seller Center, where you manage your affiliate products and commissions. And also Beacons / Linktree, which helps you to add multiple links to your TikTok bio. And then CapShot / InShot, easy video editing apps for TikTok content. And then Google Trends and TikTok Creative Center, whereby you find trending product ideas. So TikTok affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make money online in 2025. Whether you are an influencer or an e-commerce seller, you can tap into TikTok's massive audience to drive sales. Follow the steps above, stay consistent, and scale your earnings over time. Now, if you're serious about making money with TikTok affiliate marketing, don't just watch. Take action now. Hit that like button. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you're ready to start, and subscribe for more step-by-step millionaire maker strategies. Let's get this back. And don't forget that our goal for this year is to raise 100 Gen Z millionaires. Will you be one of them?